Good morning or good day, wherever you are. Welcome to our global webinar series, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screening, maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is every day the same, quick and smart. So let's have a nice start like every day. And today it's Thursday, 29th of November, 2018. Like every day, we will start with disclaimer. Trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors due to their complex nature. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read the full disclaimer, just visit one of our visual web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find the long version there. If you are in the European Union and you'd like to read and see more about the topic of the year in the EU, the ESMA regulation about retail clients and professional clients, also that is to find on our web pages. Or a picture shows more than 1,000 words. 2 prominent examples, DAX 30 and also euro dollar. The margin requirements could be quite different if you're a retail client or a professional client. So if you're a professional trader and like to get this professional client status, if you're eligible, go to our web page and you can apply for that online. Retail clients still have a big benefit. It's called unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients don't get that via regulation, but some brokers and of course also Admiral Markets have an additional protection. We call it negative balance protection policy. Via that you are protected also as a professional client up to 50,000 British pounds, what is around about 70,000 euro. Check it out on admiralmarkets.com, for example. This is me. My name is Jens. My English made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. On Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's day. On Thursday, like today, it's Markus' day. And on Friday, it's DAX day. Our leading day traders live every trading day, every business day to the same time. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. For example, DAX 30, typical spread of just 0.8 points. And new since this week, main Forex pairs, for example, euro dollar, have a better spread like before. Now typical spread just 0.6 pips without additional commission. Check it out on admiralmarkets.com. If you'd like to check out what is a global broker, you can do so. We have an office in Chile. We have an office in Australia and, of course, in the European Union. If you like to see our global offer, go to our web pages like admiralmarkets.com. It's your choice. And now, good morning, good day, Markus. What's your view to the markets today?
Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for the great introduction, Jens. And welcome to another trading day, to another great day. And it's a great pleasure for me that you'll be a part of this webinar in English. I'm a German speaker as well, and my English is like German, as Jens said. But I'm really sure you can understand me. Greetings, Bob, special friend. Hi. And let's start into this great trading day. But more important, you are healthy, you have positive thoughts, and you have a plan. And of course, the most important thing in trading is always, what is your why? We used to ask the wrong questions. Always we used to ask what I have to do or how I have to do. That's wrong. You have to ask first, what's your why? What is the reason why you want to do that? Because the way to success is full of pain and business. And this trading business is one of the painful businesses ever. So you need a great why you do it. And this is one of the most important things you have to write down in your business plan. So, and the next is, success is not a fantasy, it's a formula. And this is my trading approach. You know, it's a trend, and we want to trade. You want to make trades out coming off the correction zone, and you can see here on the numbers, we have high probabilities of almost 65%. And if we make sure that the bigger trend is running in the same direction, we can have a higher probability of almost 72%. And with this in our mind, we have our rules. First, rule number first, valid trend is needed. Second trend, correction you need. Rule number 3, major, a young trend, not too major this trend, and waiting for the rebound. So WWW is meaning worldwide waiting. This is so much important if you make consistently trades. And at least rule number 5, Fibonacci and market profile will show you the target. Listen, my dears, these rules are like a template or what's the other word? Like a stencil. Yes, Google helps. It's a template. So you can have this template, like your rules are templates or stencils. So you can have a little bit space in this template or stencil, but never break it. Never break it. If you break your template, it's over. So this is the most important thing in your trading. So with this in our mind, I have good news and I have bad news for today. So the bad news, I don't find, I didn't find any proposals for the next days, because all markets I am watching for are in a special situation. It's not my template. It's not my stencil, and I never break my template. So this is the bad news. And the good news, we don't have to trade anything. We have we have day offs the next day in daily and in hourly chart. So we can enjoy the sun. We can go out with our dogs or with our girlfriends or wives or both or whatever you have at home. So great thing. Or you switch in the lower time frames, like 5 minutes, but in our time frame, in the hourly chart and in the daily chart, we don't have to trade anything. So we have time to look at the main markets. We want to start with the SP 500, and you can see first we switch to the daily chart. The daily chart is our main market, is our main trend, because we used to make trade, or I used to make trades in the hourly chart. It's very comfortable, it's calm, and it's very it's nice. It's not stressful. One of the most important mistakes is if you have stress in trading, because life is stressful enough, and you don't need more stress in your life. So even in trading. Okay, so S&P 500, what you can see here, you can see a downtrend, and now we are actually in the correction zone. But you can see we are at the point of control. You don't have to do there anything, because it's the fairest price ever. It's okay. The big players say, what should we do though? Nothing. It's the best price between supply and demand. It's okay. You don't have to do anything there, because it's okay there. The highest probabilities are if you are in a special zone or in an unfair value price zone. There you can make your trades, but not in the red zone. Green means go, but red means stop. Nothing. Stop. Green go, red stop. So, and additionally we are in a short trade actually, and so let's switch to the. It's forbidden to make trades there in the hourly chart, of course. In 5 minutes is another topic, but it's not our webinar this here. And in the S&P 500, you see, if you want to make long trades, you need a price low, not high in the hourly chart. Let's see. Look at this one. In the hourly chart, you have a short trade, but you are a little bit above the point of control. Never do a trade there. Never. Never break your template or your stencil. Never do that. So you cut your automatism line. You cut it. And every time you cut your automatism line, you have to go back. You have to go back to the completely beginning. Not one step back or two step backs, the completely whole way back. It's not the problem, because you can start from the beginning and you can get money back from the market, but you lose your lifetime. And you will never get back 1 second of your life. 1 second. Never. It's over. It's done. It's gone. And now in the hourly chart, you see we are very high at the price. We are in this special zone. We are in the red zone. You see, green walk, red stop. Nothing. Never trade. Never make a trade here, because you are too high in the price. You are very close to the point of control. It's a fair price. It's okay. You cannot make trades there. The probabilities are not on your side. Never break your stencil. Never break it. It's healthy for your account and for your life as well. So, because we need a price, let's see, if we make trades here, we need a price here on the lower side or in the green zone downstairs, not upstairs. Downstairs, there we can make trades. But if the price will go down to 2,633 points, then we are in the daily chart here in the move to the short. So you see it's not okay. So the pictures are, it's not in the same direction, and you need the support of the higher trend. It's the best you see in SP 500. It's not the best position. And we see in the DAX, almost the same procedure. First of all, look at this one. Where are you in the price? In the price, you are in the red zone. Green walk, red stop. So first of all, you see the downtrend. You see this little bit correction now, but you are in the fair value price zone. This is the market indicator. More information on my homepage. You need this information. In my opinion, after almost 20 years of experience in trading, you need two informations. The trend, are you in the move or the correction? And what's the price? Because you ask about the price. How much is gold? How much is DAX? How much is euro? You don't ask for DAX, you don't ask for euro, you ask for the price. And always you get the answer, the price is, it costs, you have the price. So we have to think about how much is the price? Is it fair value? It's a special offer, or is it too expensive? But we know, like in our normal life, every price you're going to store, you buy something if you have special offers, but you would never buy something, some stuffs if they're too expensive, because you know the price will go back to the fair price. Then you go to the store and buy something else. So in the trading, it's the same procedure. And you see here in the DAX, first of all, you have the downtrend. That's the most important thing. You are in the correction. And normally, without the information of the price, you would say, oh great. If we will get here a balance candle, then we can make, or we can speculate on a continuation of the trend, but not with the information of the price, because you are in a fair value price zone. Everything can happen there. You don't have the probabilities on your side, so don't make trades there. It's better for your healthy and for your account. And listen, trading is important, but not the important thing in your life. Trading must be a part of your life, not life a part of trading. It's not the thing what you have to do. So, and if we take a look at the hourly chart in the DAX, almost I get so many questions the last 2-3 days. Clients ask me, why doesn't the DAX is moving? What's happened? And I always give the answer, look at the price. We are fair valued. We are around the point of control. The people say, the big money says, it's okay. We have the best balance here between the supply and demand. What should we do? We are satisfied with that price. We don't have to do anything there. No probabilities on your side. Guys, you must understand two things. Trading is not a rocket science. Trading is easy at itself. The real challenge is taking in your mind, is taking place in your mind, because all of us, we have opinions to the market. We think about the market. We are not important for the market. I am not important. You are, as a human, you are important, not trading, not the market. So here you have the answer why the market isn't moving at the moment, because we are at the point of control in the fair value price zone. So You don't have to do anything there. Stop it. You know, green walk, red stop. That's all. And Peter, of course, gold. Let's switch to gold. First of all, let's see gold in daily chart. What do you see first? Two things. You have to see two things first. Do you have a trend? Yes, you have a trend. Look at this one. Let's see. You have the trend. You can see this is my expert advice is running here automatically. It paints this this trend, and of course it makes trades automatically by the rules, of course, by this template and stencil like this. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to feel something because the computer makes the job. And now you have the uptrend. We were in the move, in the correction, sorry. And now we are a little bit in the move. But look where we are. We are at the point of control. And we come from below, from below to the point. In this case, the point of control is like the ceiling. You push up with your head at the ceiling there. Don't make trades there. You need a price above the point of control. Then you can make. And the seasonal shows us a little bit decreasing prices at the next days. So almost at around Christmas, then you have a little bit slightly rising prices, but not yet. And if you look at the hourly chart, you see where you are here. First of all, you don't have a trend. Let's see. I want to paint it for you that you can imagine it a little bit better. Because trading is not a rocket science, but you have to learn it like a job, not with free webinars. It's okay, and I'm so grateful that I can make this English webinars with Admiral Markets. I'm so happy for that I can reach a lot of people with my special trading approach. Because I love to make people happy with trading. Because you have to hold your template. That's more important. You see, movement, correction, but starting your movement, but without a close above this point 2. So you don't have a trend. You have a trend if you will have a close below that. So you have to wait. If you will have a close above the point 2, then the next correction, and we need a price round at the point of control, and then we can make there in the same direction as the trend is running here to the upper side. Not yet. Save your money, save your nerves, save your healthy. It's more important than any other things. So, and of course, euro against the US dollar. It's one of the special moments here. Mr. Powell said something yesterday and brought a lot of traffic in the short-term movements yesterday. Some clients of mine were long in euro US dollar yesterday. They make a lot of profit, and it was easy because the trend was facing upwards. And they make a lot of profit yesterday with the move of Mr. Powell. Thanks, Mr. Powell. I don't know what he said, but it brought us a lot of movement. Doesn't matter what he said, it brought movement. That's all. In the euro as US dollar against in the daily chart, what you can see here first, a downtrend. To see the downtrend, movement, correction, movement, correction, movement, correction, little bit movement, but this movement was interrupted. Why? You can see it. You are in a fair value price zone here. Here is the point 1.1254 is the point of control. You see, you are in a fair value price zone. You can see there can happen everything. You don't have to make trades there. It's a 50-50 chance to make anything, to make trades there. And 50-50, guys, is too less to make money in that price zone. So, and if you watch at the hourly chart, you can see it here. The same procedure. You see, first of all, you see a long trade. Let's see, let's paint. Movement. That was the news from Mr. Powell yesterday. Correction. movement, and now you're in a correction, but almost 100%. Because look at this one. The price went back in the fair value zone. It's amazing. Trading must be a rocket science. Trading must be easy if you make sure that the trend is in your direction on the road, and if the price is on your side or in your back, then you can make the best trades ever, and you can be a successful trader. Take over your responsibility, guys. Take over your responsibility, not gambling. Trading, learn it like a job, and then you can be successful in trading. What you have to do there? Nothing. You don't have to trade make in the red zone. Green, walk, red, stop. That's all. And let's see. Oh, just over. We have 20 minutes over. I'm so sorry for that. And as I said, no proposal for the next days. It's time today to take a rest and to enjoy your life. I hope you learned something a little bit. More information on my homepage. Last sentence. My homepage is completely translated in English. You can switch from German to English. All offers and all informations on English available. And I'm so grateful. And at the really last sentence, my thoughts for the rest of the week. Be careful about your thoughts. That's the beginning. They are the beginning of your deeds. Find your why. Then you have enough emotions and motivation to hold your template. With this in our mind, back to Jens.
Thanks to Markus. Tomorrow is another day. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So if you like our global series, tomorrow, same time, a new day trader, a new market outlook. And if you'd like to see and watch that again, in a couple of hours, it will be available on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX. Greetings from Berlin office. All the time, good trades. See you. Bye-bye.